Section 1.5 Part 3's video. In this example of the homework, it says estimate the slope and vertical intercept of the line, which is really the y-intercept. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out 2 points, okay? And the first point is going to be on this one is different than what I had up. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to go here. We're going to go back one. And it's not that one. It's that one. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to find 2 points. And if you look, the first point is 0, 0. And the second point that we're going to find that goes through is 1, 0, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, zero, 0, and 1, 0. And we can find the slope. You could put these in the traditional y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 if you want to. But I'm going to do it by this. It's not 1, 0. Let me back up. Let me look back at that point right there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 0.25. Okay, so that is 1, 0.25. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit here and we're going to say that changed by 1 and this changes by 0.25, which slope is changing y over changing x, which is 0.125 over 1, right? So so we know it's 0.25, which we know is the quarter, right? Okay, and then the y-intercept is 0. It goes through 0 on the, let me do this, 0 on the y-axis. Okay, now use your estimates from A and B and write the equation of line. So I can say, I'm just going to do 0.25x. Now, we won't have to put plus 0, okay? So, we can just put it as 0.25, the m and the x, and the b is 0. If you add 0 on there, it doesn't change anything. So, that's what you need to do. Alright. Find the slope of each line and coordinates point. The slope is, well, if you remember from the previous problem in part 2's video, that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. If you look, close up parentheses, that's a positive 7, so that's got to be a negative 7 for a y. That's a negative 1, so when it comes out, it has to be a positive 1. So there's your point, and your slope is negative 6. So the slope is negative 6, and the point is 1, negative 7. You got to understand that these switch when they go in. They change signs. Okay.